Hi guys, in this guide, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up Google Meet for video calls. So head into your Play Store or App Store in your device and then hit on that application and then click on the search bar. Type in Google Meet. Then click enter. After searching it, you will see the Google Meet application and then just simply click on this and hit install button. So wait for this installation and then we're ready to go for setting up our account and our video call. So after installing it, just click the open button and then click on the continue button. So here on the loading screen, it is loading for the permissions that will be given to us. And there it is. Just give access to this and then allow all of these permissions. Then click the got it button. Now after setting up our account, we can now perform a video call to one of our contacts. Simply click on one of your contacts and then hit the call button. And that's it. As you can see here, 2 of these persons have joined the video call. And that is how to set up Google Meet for video calls. And thank you for listening.